Hi, it's Mark from TrainingSpark here with another great tool that you can use to help test your LearnDash platform. And this is a tool that we use at TrainingSpark all the time, and it's a really big time saver. So once you've got your LearnDash platform set up, you've got all your courses in there, registration methods, shopping cart, and things like that. What you're going to want to do is test the user journey to make sure it's as seamless as possible and that everyone who registers gets the correct emails and are registered onto the correct courses and groups. And what you might have done in the past is created a new user account for all of the email addresses that you own. So you might have a Hotmail and a Gmail, and you create different accounts with each of those, but eventually you'll run out and you have to start deleting users and recreating them. There's a much better way to do that using a free service called Mailinator. So if you head over to mailinator.com, you'll come to this website. And what this allows you to do is create made-up email addresses and get the inboxes for them. And it's great because you can create as many inboxes as you like, one for each user that you're trying to test with, and you can see all of the information that they'll get sent when they register. So let's give this a try. I'll head back to my WordPress site where I have a product here created using WooCommerce, and I'm going to click Add to Basket. And I'm going to buy this. So I have a coupon code that I'm going to use, and I'm going to apply that, which will take the total cost down to 0, which is another great way to test your product buying process. You can make them add to cart and use 100% discount codes to make that 0 cost. And I'm going to click Proceed to Checkout. And I'm going to put in made up first name and last name, demo user. I can leave the company name blank. And what I can do here is put in some dummy information. And once we get to the email field, we can make up any email address that ends in @mailinator.com. So what I'm going to do here is put something like LearnDash test @mailinator.com. And I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to buy. I'm going to place the order. It says that the order has been received. And now if I head back to mailinator.com and paste that made up email address into the top left here, LearnDash test @mailinator.com, I can click Go, and I can see all of the emails that I've received from the system. So I've received the account created, which you would get from LearnDash, as well as a few emails from WooCommerce here about the order. So once you've got this, you can check to make sure that everything is as you would expect, and you'll find that you can then log in as the learner, go to the relevant courses, and you can see that I bought this one and now I have access. So it's just a great way to spin up as many users as you like and just give their whole journey of buying a course a good sense check and make sure it's all working as it should. And these email addresses are temporary, so what you'll find is that after a while all this will just delete itself and you can then recreate it again if you want to in the future. So what it's doing is creating temporary inboxes that you can use for testing. We hope you find this useful and that it really helps in testing your LearnDash courses.